going on, guys? My name is Jonas, and in today's video I'll be showing you the top 5 winning products for June 2021. And all 5 products that you're about to see in the video, they're all handpicked by me and they're already validated winners who generate a ton of money in revenue every day. We're gonna have a look at a winning ad creative at the store who's currently selling the product, and also I'm gonna provide you with a price breakdown so you guys have a rough idea how much profit you're gonna make with this product. Also, I'm gonna provide you guys with 5 Facebook ads recommendations so you guys can get started today and make that money. If this video gets 50 likes, I'm gonna provide you with all Aliexpress links, all ad creative links that you're about to see in this video, so make sure you smash that like button. Alright, product number 1 is this automatic motion sensor. And this product is perfect for kitchen, corridors, your bedroom, bathroom, basically everywhere in your house. The way this product works is very self-explanatory, so once you approach this light, the automatic sensor detects you, the light turns on, and once you go away, the light goes off. Easy as that. What I love about this ad is that it shows you so many options how and where you can use this product. Also, I really love the long-term potential of this product because it's not a seasonal product like Halloween products or Christmas decoration. I think you can sell this product eventually for years. Another reason why I believe this product is so good is that you will most likely sell more than 1 unit of this product to a customer, because if you check the video, you will achieve the best results if you have more than 1 light. From what I can see here, the seller is running multiple ads, and some of them have started to run in March 2021 and they are still running, and this is a really good sign for you because it means that these ads are still profitable, so it seems like it's a really good product. And I believe the seller is doing quite a decent job with the website, and he's selling this product for $38. On Aliexpress you can get this product already for $8, which leaves you with a margin of $30. And my 5 Facebook ads recommendations for this product are home decor, interior design, decor home ideas, bath, bed and beyond, and home improvement. Alright guys, let's move on with product number 2, and these are these smile veneers. And with this product you definitely have the wow effect, and I really love that this ad creative that you can see here follows the problem and solution approach, because most of us don't have perfectly white, perfectly straight teeth, and who doesn't want to have a dazzling white smile? Getting actual veneers costs thousands, and it's also not the most convenient medical process, and with this product you can get an instant dazzling smile. The ad creative claims that you can even eat with these type of veneers, but of course it's not really a sustainable option to actual veneers. As you can see on Facebook, the ad gets excellent engagement. On this website the product is sold for $23, but on Aliexpress you can get it for $3, which leaves you with a margin of $20. And my 5 Facebook ads recommendations for this product are white teeth, tooth loss, teeth whitening, veneer, and Kylie Jenner. Product number 3, and it's the elevated kitty bowl. And as you can see here, this cat bowl is tilted and it's also elevated to a comfortable angle so your cat doesn't have to stoop while it's eating. Also, the seller is claiming that this bowl prevents your cat from vomiting after eating. I know for a fact that some cats are vomiting after eating, others don't, so it really depends. But if you're a cat owner and your cat is vomiting after eating and you see this ad, I think it's gonna be a really effective ad. Because this kitty bowl is elevated, it prevents developing cats and also older cats from getting a neck strain. Next to the functionality, I personally believe that this cat-shaped bowl looks really cute. Seller is selling the product for $40. On Aliexpress you get it for $11, which leaves you with a margin of $29. And my 5 Facebook ads recommendations for this product are cat food, cat lovers, cat owners, and cats protection. Let's move on with product number 4, and this is a crazy one. I still can't believe that a product like that exists. Seller claims that this product is way more effective than toilet paper when it comes to removing the, you know what I mean. If you have this product, you will never ever have to buy toilet paper again. And also for women, it can be really good when they want to clean their, you know what I mean. And all this product is kind of like interesting and very niche, I would say. It's getting a ton of engagement on Facebook. Just check out these numbers here. Also, the website of the seller looks really decent in my opinion. This product is sold for $65. On Aliexpress it's going to cost you $27, so your margin is roughly going to be $38. 5 Facebook ads recommendation for this product are obviously toilet paper, toilet seat, home improvement, and bathroom. And last but not least, guys, product number 5, the couch saver. First of all, this ad creative is really good in my opinion because it shows the problem and the solution right away, and it's also really fast pacing and doesn't have slow and boring cuts. And this is also the way how I'm editing my own ads. This product also follows the problem and solution approach that I really like. After having a couch for years, if not decades, it looks really worn out. It's probably not in the best condition anymore, and the design might be outdated as well. And the solution to this is the product, obviously, because instead of purchasing a new couch, which can be really expensive, you can instantly restore your old couch and give it a brand new look and feel. A really nice problem and solution approach here, and what I also like about this product is that there are so many options available, so many different sizes, so many different colors, so customers have a variety to choose from. The product is sold for $35. On Aliexpress you get it for $12, which leaves you with a margin of $23. And last but not least, my 5 Facebook ads recommendation for this product are old age, couches, bath, bed and beyond, and home improvement. I hope this was inspirational. Smash the like button and subscribe, and I see you next time.